Hey guys, welcome to my car show. This channel is basically going to be about DIY and stuff that I do to repair these cars after I import them from Japan, and hopefully some of these things will help you after you've imported yourself for one, or if you bought one that had some of these problems. So I have 14 cars on the way, but here's some of the cars that I have now. 3 Honda Beats, 2 pictured here, 1 on the way. R33, tons of R33s on the way. RB25 swapped, 240, everyone's favorite. S14 that we've already started to work on, came back from paint, but first episode will be probably about on this one. Ooh, the Turbo Integra. This is the channel's project car. More on that later. Also, turbo diesel Land Cruiser. Lots of turbo diesels on the way, something we're kind of new into, but very excited. Yeah, so that's what this channel has in store. Like I said, I have 14 more cars on the way and more cars throughout the year, and they all have a little bit of quirks of issues, so I'm gonna document it, and hopefully this will help someone in the future. So comment, like, subscribe if this seems like something for you. Peace.